guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you I can find IP address on the Amazon tablet. So there is two ways for that, your home network IP address and your output IP address. So the first one, you have to open the top menu and hold the finger on the Wi-Fi icon. Now tap on the settings, gear icon, and look for the IP address. This is your home IP address on your router or modem. That was the first method. Now the second one, go to the web browser and look for the search bar. Then type the my IP address. Choose one of them, like what is myip.com. And this is our IP. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.